900. 900, that's pretty close to 1,000.
Before we had ST Math, you would see a lot of heads down in math, a lot of frustration, a lot of giving up quickly. You don't see that hardly at all anymore. This has really built that perseverance and that stick-to-itness that our kids really need to be successful.
On both sides, this is 5, right?
The achievement gap is the difference between how students are performing, and what we're looking at is usually by racial groups. Historically, we've had 25 to 30% difference in our white students compared with our African American students. So what we've done is over the past 4 years, we've got new curriculum, and the curriculum is more aligned to the core, it's more rigorous, and it has higher expectations for all of our students. And what we're seeing with that is we're seeing all students growing.
Yep, so how many do I need to add from here to here?
The most fun times to go in and listen to is when they're creating, here's the number of the day or the number of days of school we've been in, and then they start creating those equations and just the creative ways that you see that they understand the mathematics.
What's one way? Jessica? 100 minus 3 equals 90.
Our African American students are growing at a faster pace than our white students are currently growing, so that gap is shrinking. But everybody is growing. It's not shrinking because one group's falling back. It's shrinking because everybody's growing, but our African American students are currently growing at a faster pace.
How can we do vocabulary acquisition with our, not just our newcomers, but our ELLs as well, and really all kiddos? Because these strategies are good for everyone.
As you go into the grade level team meetings, you'll see teachers continuing to talk about it. They continue to look at the data. It's a continuous process of improving. We're anticipating that we'll be in the 70s as far as proficiency level on ISS for the first time. Just look at the data trend. We were really flat, and that's why it's been so exciting that we've seen the growth that we have, because that's just not something that we've seen in the past.
Correct. How many red ones do you see?
As a district, we're really excited about the trends that we're seeing and the growth that students are having. I mean, that's the whole reason we do this, is to see our students be successful, and currently we are. It's building that excitement from teachers, principals, all the way to families.
Congruent or not congruent?
Congruent.
These shapes are congruent.